Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I did some homemade Zesty Italian dressings. This is one of my favorite dressings to use for salads or whatever, so figured I'd show you an easy way on making it. So start out here with a tablespoon of minced garlic, and then a tablespoon of dried minced onions, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of Uncle Steve's shake spicy R. Now if you don't have it, you can use a Cajun seasoning, but the Uncle Steve's is the way to go. And then 2 tablespoons of water, and then 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of celery seed, a 1/3 of a cup of distilled white vinegar, and then 2/3 of a cup of the oil that you want to use. I use canola oil, but olive oil or avocado oil would be really good to use as well. And then once you've got those all combined, get you a immersion blender and blend it for about 5 minutes or so to get everything chopped up and mixed together, and there you go. This Italian homemade dressing for you. It's a good one for salads, of course, but it's a great one for marinades too, especially with pork or chicken or turkey thrown on the grill after you let it marinate for a couple hours. It's good to go. But anyways, I love y'all. I thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.